Outside on the hill, it's a breezy Friday night. You can see the flags from left to right, so that Gulf fetch continues. And that's a humid flow off the western Gulf, so humidity continues to stack up, and we continue to put fuel in the tank for this system. But I don't know if we're going to get a whole lot of rain out of this. I'll explain. Southeast wind 13 miles per hour at the airport. The gusts are going about 15 to 16. Temperature 69 degrees. Dew point only 8 degrees away. You know, since we're talking about a strong southeast breeze tonight, let's continue talking about that. And you'll see southeast winds will continue pretty gusty even at the 8 o'clock hour. But again, staying southeast. Now comes the Pacific front, 4 to 5 p.m. So first we're going to see sea breeze showers, but when this Pacific front comes in, and I'll show you future radar in a moment, that's when we expect some thunderstorms to develop right along that frontal boundary. And then the west winds pick up near 30 Del Rio, 20 Uvalde, pushing into the city. Then they'll be about 15 to 20 most of the evening before they go north-northwest on Sunday, and 20 plus. In fact, Sunday probably a little bit more breezy than Saturday, and a little bit different on the wind direction. Not that there's going to be a lot of cold air coming in with this system. It's a Pacific system, but it'll certainly be a windy weekend. 79 today's high, then lower 80s to even mid 80s down I-35. Warm and humid. So with these kind of conditions in place, especially for February, this is incredible. We definitely have the ingredients for some pretty good thunderstorms. So far, sea breeze showers are starting up. They're crossing over I-10. They'll stay east for the next few hours, but as we get into the midnight to 3 a.m., they'll start moving into the city. Severe thunderstorms breaking out over I-20 west of San Angelo tonight, and those will continue to move northeast. You can see maybe we clip northern Valverde County, Del Rio. Probably not going to see too much just yet. But once we get into tomorrow, here's where the rain really starts filling in. You can see it's really to the east of San Antonio that we start seeing that radar fill in at 5 a.m. Then we go into the mid-morning hours and midday, and we get a little bit more widespread on these scattered showers. These will all be light to moderate. The thunderstorms are going to be along the Pacific front by 4 to 5 p.m. And now the new model prediction kind of skipping across the San Antonio area without that huge line like we saw last night, and clearing out to clear skies by 6, 7 p.m. for a really nice Valentine's night. That's the HRRR. The second model that I like to lean into is the graph. Let's compare and contrast with more showers expected through mid-morning, very similar timing, overnight through about midday. We get a little break, and then it's 4 to 5 o'clock once again. But these are more isolated now, these thunderstorms. So not everyone's going to get in on this, but both models agree everything is east of us by 7 or 8 o'clock. A 1 out of 5 chance that something produces hail or damaging winds. So I'm going 70% early, midday a little break, and then back up to a 40% chance at 5 o'clock. Again, less than 1/4 of an inch with this. We're not expecting a whole lot of rain. 14-day forecasts. Here we go. We've got tomorrow as a weather impact alert on those storms in the afternoon, 79. Windy all weekend. Just a bit of a change in the wind direction, but sunshine at 75 Sunday, closer to 80 for several days into the 18th, 19th, 20th. We'll bring back a slight chance of an isolated shower on the 22nd and 23rd.